Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on US30. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame perspective, we can see that US30 currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame. Looking at monthly on US30, we see that this is a long-term bullish market with this monthly impulse on US30, strong impulse followed by we have seen a correction. Now with that correction, we saw that US30 has broken this important monthly level of support here, grab huge liquidity and form this another monthly impulse. Now with that impulse, with this support, we saw that US30 has formed a pin bar followed by a monthly bullish candle. Now so far this month we saw that as expected US30 has come down again for a pullback. So we saw this is the monthly impulse and then pullback, grab liquidity from this previous monthly low and then form a long wick candle. Now with that long wick candle formation, we saw that US30 currently showing strong bullish price action on the lower time frame, and we could see another retest of this monthly resistance level. Now if we look at the weekly time frame, we can see that from the weekly perspective, US30 currently strongly bullish again. We see with this weekly impulse, the price has reached that resistance back to back, quite a few weeks of drop. Now this week we saw that after testing this level, created a higher low and then immediately rejected. Now with the rejection, what I think that US30 might continue to rise to that zone to grab liquidity or even to break this high to create a new higher high. So from the weekly perspective, we see potential bullish move as well. Now if we look at the daily time frame on US30, we saw that there was a false breakout here of this uh, support zone on the daily. This is the daily support. On the lower time frame we can see this level and the price has broken with this red candle, grab liquidity and immediate rejection to the upside with this daily candle followed by we saw previous day also there is a bullish candle. Today once the market open, we see US30 started to move towards the upside. Now let's look at for the lower time frame to see how the price action is doing. Now this is the current session candle, so you saw that it has already grabbed liquidity from this support. Now if we look at the overall picture in this market, we can see that US30 has formed an inverted head and shoulder along this zone, head, right shoulder and left shoulder, and breakout from this inverted head and shoulder created a neckline of this level, which is previous resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, turn support. What I think that as we still see that on the lower time frame, bulls are not strong enough. What I think that we might see another retest of this level, and then we could see that US30 again moving to the upside. I'll be waiting for another liquidity grab from this zone. As soon as we will find suitable entry opportunity, I think US30 might hit the resistance level, so we'll be waiting for a pullback towards the downside to grab liquidity. As soon as we will find suitable entry, we will consider going long on US30 with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.